Ladies and gentlemen, hi. Igama lami Jukubudlu. Ndingunolali weGunqayi. There's a lot I want to talk about, but I feel the need to start with kuningi. There is Amatole that is not paying people. Its employees, people are complaining. My phone is ringing off the hook because a lot is going wrong at Amatole. It's like I'm part of this government. It's like I am part of this government. Maybe I'm also getting a salary from this government. When things go wrong, people report those things to me. They're seeking help from me because there's a lot that is going wrong. But guys, today let's just focus on regional conferences. Remember, I've been reporting starting from Ekrisani, O.R. Tambo, Alfred Nzo, Joe Gabi, and now we're looking at the Buffalo City, which is Khubusane Regional Conference of the ANC. It's been postponed over three times. It's been postponed. And the question to everyone is now, between me and you, let's talk. What is the real issue here? What is the real struggle here? Number one, you know me and you, we don't hide things. So I'm going to enlighten you. I'm going to tell you exactly what is going on inside the ANC. So this is how a conference is won. Iyaphekwa inkomfa ku-ANC. Iyaphekwa inkomfa ku-ANC. I hope you understand what I mean. Now, the dynamics of the ANC, number one, who's in charge in the ANC is the SG. Fikile Mbalula is in charge in the ANC. Fikile Mbalula has an interest of becoming the president, right? And nabo ke ku-ANC bebesithi mayine vula kambalula mayine mayine bembhanqa. The Eastern Cape, my primary focus, looked like it's going to support Umbalula ekuqaleni. Remember, I'm speaking about regional conferences, and I'm starting it at the national level. What exactly is happening? They look like they will support Umbalula, and all of a sudden, they started entertaining Paul Mashatile, the deputy president, who also has an interest of becoming the president. So the dynamics of the ANC in the national, there's three people that are interested in the chair, in the presidents of the ANC. It's Ufikile Mbalula, it's Paul Mashatile, and Uphanyaza Lesufi. And so far, between me and you, Usibari country, Patrice Motsepe has publicly endorsed Uphanyaza Lesufi. And people are talking on the ground that Uphanyaza Lesufi is probably the best that the ANC can do at this stage. So he's likely to become the president. That does not sit well with the SG between me and you. I am guessing the reason why inkomfa zingade zihlale, if you understand, ndithe kuwe ziyaphekwa inkomfa, they get cooked inkomfa. They are xa kusiwa enkomfeni, this is how things happen. When you're going to a conference, ndihlala apha eQombolo, right, eTsomo, iwadi yam nguward 17. Yes. Now, Ward 17 is under my sub-region. Apha kwi-sub-region yasentsika yethu, there's about iwards eziyi-20, ne? And each and every ward ifuna ubani as uchairperson, ifuna ubani izawuvotela ubani at the regional conference. So these factions, they are at national level. There's Panyaza, there's Paul Mashatile, there's Mbalula. At provincial level, there's Mabuyane, there's Nungaitobi. At regional level, apha ke Khubusane, There's Princess Faku, there's Antonio Karel Kor. Antonio Karel Kor is the one that consists of Antonio as the secretary. Then Antonio now wanted at first Uvuyo, the current provincial chairperson of the ANC Youth League, but bamgabha Uvuyo, it's fine, bayichintsha bathi bayinika uMbasa lento yobu-chairperson. Who is Mbasa? Umbasa Saki is the person that wanted to be the secretary of Princess. But Princess Faku said, andikufuni, I don't want you in my core. Wamgxotha, then Umbasa end up elapha konantsika ko Antonio. So an issue here is Antonio says, now I want to keep my position as the secretary. Let me give you this thing of a chair. Then ingathi there's sort of an agreement. But the underlying issue in all this is the fact that Mbasa is for himself, he's non-factional. Akakho kwi-factions, usupporta isiqu sakhe and usupporta i-ANC. I feel like what he wants is to fix the ANC, and he wants the development of the ANC, and he wants to enforce policies of the ANC. He wants to revive ANC. I sound like Ndiyamthengisa, but that's not the case. Now, Princess is ordinarily favored by the province. Umabu is favored by unational, Mbalula. When Mbalula is not in good terms with this province, because this province looks like imthengisela uPaul, then things are not going to go right. They're not going to favor them. How do they make sure that they win conferences? Bazipheka njani ezingomva between me and you? This is how they do it. I-branches at a branch level apha kuthi eQombolo eWard 17 bavele i-branch bayidismiss bathi hayi, you don't qualify. If they know you're not going to vote for lo bamfunayo, they disqualify the branch. Then at a branch level bayahamba bayo-aphila kwi-province. Richard? No, bayaphila kwi-province. I-province ijonga ubana ii-numbers zithini, yeyiphi le faction. Uba yile bangayithandiyo i-administration kwi-province, nayo ithi aniqualify, bahambe bayowaphila kwa-national. Uba uMbalula uthi imake kabani le-faction, then allegedly ke bayasuka kaloku Max, then bathi uba le faction ayiyo yalo mntu simfunayo, then sayidisqualifya. That branch is not going to form part of delegation ye-conference. That's how they win. That's how they make sure that numbers favor them. I hear that systems are manipulated allegedly. I don't know much about that, but that is how the ANC cooks everything. Now, what is happening in eGubusane? Who is likely to emerge? Who do I want to emerge? And izawuhlala nini inkova? Those are questions that everybody wants to know at the moment. Between me and you, I can boldly say, of course, I want uPrincess. I want uPrincess to win, but moreover Princess, I want uMbasa Saki to be part. I want somebody who oyithandayo i-ANC, who's going to revive the ANC in the province, because once i-ANC ife eBuffalo City, kuphelile nge-ANC Eastern Cape, and Eastern Cape is the strong base of the ANC in South Africa. Now, if Mbasa emerges, I'm not against that. I actually prefer that. Except Ndiyamthanda uPrincess, and I don't want Princess underneath. So I don't know. I don't know what is going to happen. I know that a lot of people don't like Princess, and if you don't like someone, I don't hotspot hate, but I personally love Umbasa, I love Princess. If it were for me, I would want the two to hold hands and run this particular region. What do you think is going to happen at that regional conference of Khubusane as we stand? Asas, I hear there's about 4 appeals ezilindiweyo. I don't know what the mood is there by National Elutuli. So I don't know what the mood is, but they're still going to sit and approve, qualify, or disqualify those 4 appeals ezishiyekileyo. Madoda mayithi ihlale le nkomfa sizawuphelelwa lixhala, because i-development imile eRhubusane ngenxa yale nto yokukrwempana kwabo. What is my problem with Anto? I don't think I have a problem with Anto. It's just that I don't trust him. As much as I don't trust Princess, there's a difference between trusting in someone and loving someone. But there's something about Umbasa that I'm saying, my daughter, let's rally behind this one. That Mbasa I've observed, I've researched, let's rally behind that Mbasa. Be it uzaba yi-Nantsika secretary, be it uzaba yi-chairperson, I don't know. But phaa enkomfeni kuzawuqulwa madoda, kuzawuqulwa, izinto zizawujika phaa zithi. I'm not a political person, I know nothing, but sawubona khona, sawubona emntaneni madoda. Otherwise, all the best to the leadership of the ANC in that thing of Khubusane. We look forward, I mean, simengabo team. Remember, there's a question of Isara. That thing of Ibiza, Nelson Mandela, in this talk of that thing of Nelson Mandela. But we also know that Ubabsi is the one that is wanted by Ingcobo. And I don't mind. I don't mind Ubabsi. I don't mind that thing of Ubabsi. I just, between me and you, I hate the division that is in the ANC. Ndidikiwe kungovani kwabo. Njengoba kutheni le nto bengenokhe badicide indawana eyi-1 bathi siyavumelana. Sithethi intwenye, siyavumelana. Bakhe bavumelane bathethe intwenye bathi bafuna ubani. Uyayiva ne? Bathi bafuna, sentsho bavumelane, bangabe bephikisana. Mabakhethe, bathi bafuna ubani, kuvunyelwane madoda. Sentsho iBuffalo City bebengenokhe badibane i-ANC ithi madoda masivumelaneni apha sithi uPrincess masiphinde simnike okanye masiyinike uMbasa, uPrincess asekele uMbasa. I don't know. I'm tired, I'm exhausted, and I know nothing. All I know is just I want peace in the ANC. I want development in the Khubusane region, and I don't know how that is.